Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are diving into the world of exquisite dinner set designs that will transform your dining area into a visual masterpiece. Whether you are a minimalistic enthusiast or a lover of opulent aesthetics, we have got something for every taste. Let's explore a curated collection of latest dinner set trends handpicked to complement various interior style from modern sleek lines to timeless classic. We have covered it all. So discover how these stunning pieces can add a touch of elegance and charm to your home. Join us as we showcase these beautiful dinner set designs. Witness how they effortlessly blend with diverse decor elements, creating a cohesive and inviting ambience that will leave your guest awe. So turn on the notification so you never miss out an update from us. Thank you for joining us in this journey to transform your dining space into a work of art. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more inspiring home interior contents. Share your thoughts in the comment below which dinner set caught your eye. Thank you for watching this video. Until next time, happy decorating. Take care. Bye bye.